with your course, there are different options for launching the content of your course. So you can have instant access. So as soon as they buy, they have instant access to the course, or you can drip out the content. Now, there's pros and cons to both of these. For instant access, obviously, it's great because it's right there, the immediacy. They can get instant access and start that night, especially if they're pumped up on buying the course. Or you can do drip. Now, drip is really beneficial if you're pre-selling your course or you are creating your course as you sell it. So you may have launched your course and each week you're creating a new lesson and then adding it and making it public. So rather than having to front load all of your lessons, you can just create that first module and those first lessons for them. And then each week you can create lessons as you go. So that is an option as well. If you want to go even deeper into ThriveCart, I have a free course that walks you through ThriveCart, setting up ThriveCart, all the ins and outs of ThriveCart. It's a over-the-shoulder type of view where you can see exactly what I'm doing click by click. And I also have modules on things like pricing a course, how to come up with your course topic, how to market a course, how to get beta testers in a course. It goes to the ins and outs of setting up a course, launching a course, and like I said, it is completely free, so definitely check it out down below in the description. And I do want to say, if you don't have ThriveCart yet, I have a link for 50% off of ThriveCart lifetime access, which is amazing about ThriveCart. There's other course platforms where you have to pay monthly or annual, but with ThriveCart, it's lifetime access, and I have a link for 50% off. I do receive a small commission if you use my link, but like I said, you get the 50% off discount for using the link, and you help support me and my family, and so I can continue creating free videos like this for you and free courses like the one down below in the description. So check it out, check out the course, and check out ThriveCart if you have not already. Here we are in Learn, and this is under creating your course. And so you can see here instant and drip. So instant is obviously instant access, or you can do drip. So you can say when you want your students to have access to the content of the course, and this can be specific to the individual lesson. So it's not like the entire course. So you can say after a certain time period. So module 1, whatever it may be, is every week. And so every week there's a new module, or you can say day of the month. So module or lesson is available on the 13th of every month, or a specific date of the calendar. So we can do lessons or modules on specific dates as well, or after a rebill or after trial. So you may have a 7-day trial where they have access to module 1. And then if they decide to purchase, then you can release the other lessons. Or if you have a monthly payment plan, you may say, okay, we have the first month, and then after each rebill, then you get more lessons. So that can be all set up in here under the dripped method. And you can see here that this lesson that's highlighted is the 13th of the month. So we can edit that as well, and that's published or draft. And we can change access. So we can say time period. We can say, let's do after week 3, this is available. So, or you can do that. Or what we can even do, let's do this. So we can do, this is published. This is instant access, save, instant access, saved. And then we want this lesson. So we're going to highlight this, and we can do dripped. So we can do this one. We can do after 7. So this one is instant access, the first module, and then module 2 is after the 7th of the first month. And you can go through and create each one that way. And that's a great option. Or if you're doing a live cohort, so you may want to go through the course with them live. So you're going to be doing other live videos with them, and each week a new module is released or new lessons are released for them. So that is right here in Learn, and you can see the instant versus dripped. And then you always want to make sure that you save after so you don't lose anything, and you can go back to continue editing. The next step is to create your custom course layout, so that way you can customize it to how you want your students to view your course. I have a step-by-step video showing you how to set it up. Check out that video here.